Hello, this is Cameron with United Credit doing yet another proof video showing our trade lines posting on a regular basis. We do these videos 3 or 4 times a month, just showing proof that our lines are posting on a regular basis, and that we're still in business after 10 years. Here we have a Macy's Citibank trade line. This is started in 2018. It's about a 5-year line here. Zero utilization, perfect pay history. Whenever you buy a trade line, make sure it's close to zero utilization and that you have a perfect pay history. It's very important when buying a trade line. You don't want to buy a trade line that has lates on it. It will definitely affect your score. Utilization should be somewhere 5% or less. Here we have again, authorized users. This line here costs $300. Call for details. It's 202-213-2218. These lines go on CPN number as well as socials. We currently have over 400 trade lines posting on a regular basis. You can look at our past videos to show that they're posting on a regular basis. Trade line, this is tradelines.biz. The whole key with trade lines is to increase the average age. The average age is about 30% of your score. That's basically the secret of boosting trade line boosting scores. When you add the trade line, the average age go up and then the score goes up. Now there is you have to look at it, because if you have a lot of lates or negative items, the trade lines won't be as effective. If your average age is already 10 to 15 years, then you don't need an increase in average age because you have an old file anyway. So just make sure, 2 big tips we want to look out for when buying trade lines. That the average age is 5 years or less, and that you have next to no derogatory items, and that utilization is low too. All these factors affect how trade lines affect the score once you add it, once you buy one. We do, however, do free consulting, free reviews. We can go over your profile for free and let you know how trade lines can help you, or how they may not help you. If they add a trade line to your profile, they may not help you. We can let you know either way. Again, we're here to help you. The consultation is totally free. This is a CPN apartment package, by the way. We do apartment packages for our clients. If they want to rent an apartment, they can get a CPN apartment package with a score of about 700, and that can enable them to rent a place. But call for details now as well. We do trade lines as well as CPN apartment packages, as well as credit repair, as well as business trade lines. But call us 202-213-2218, or subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Appreciate it. Have a great day.